Hi friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a delicious pepper chicken. So let's see the ingredients. I have taken about 1 handful of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, about 4 large pieces of cinnamon sticks, about 15 numbers of cloves, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds. We need about 15 numbers of garlic cloves which is peeled, 3 large pieces of ginger and 15 shallots or small onions. Now take a mixer jar. Let's grind all the dry ingredients. Let's add about 1 handful of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorn seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, about 4 large pieces of cinnamon sticks, about 15 cloves, 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, and grind it into a coarse powder. Now let's add the ginger, garlic and shallots along with the dry powder and grind it into a fine masala paste. You can add a little water and make it into a fine paste and keep it aside. Today I have taken 3 kg of chicken which is cut into medium pieces. Let's transfer the cleaned washed chicken into the pressure cooker. Always remember to wash the chicken with a little salt and turmeric powder. So after transferring the chicken, let's add about 3 large tomatoes which is finely chopped. And also add the masala paste which we prepared earlier into the chicken. Now let's add about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt according to your taste. Today I am adding about 1 tablespoon of salt and add about 2 cups of water. Close the pressure cooker and let it cook for about 3 whistles. Now let's prepare the sauté ingredients. I've taken 3 large onions, 5 green chilies which is slit, a few curry leaves and about 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Now take a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's add about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using the refined oil. When the oil is hot, let's add the 3 large onions which we chopped. Let's also add the curry leaves and about 5 green chilies which is slit. Now stir fry it in the hot oil. We need to stir fry the onions till they are nice and golden brown. This gives a nice flavor to the pepper chicken. At this stage, let's add about 1 tablespoon of pepper powder and about half a teaspoon of salt. And keep stirring till the onions are nice and golden brown. Now you can see that the onions have changed color and is nice and golden brown. So let's switch off the flame and keep it aside. Let's check the chicken. So after 3 whistles, we can see that the chicken is well cooked. There is quite a lot of water. Let's transfer the chicken pieces into the onion mixture. And simmer the gravy till the gravy becomes nice and thick. Now let's transfer the thick gravy into the chicken and mix all the ingredients together. If you want a gravy consistency, you can serve it as it is, but today I'm going to make a dry pepper chicken, so I'm going to keep it on the flame for another 10 minutes. Let's add a handful of coriander leaves, which is finely chopped, and keep it on the flame for another 10 minutes till all the gravy is nice and dry. Now keep stirring it occasionally. Now you can see our pepper chicken is nice and dry. Let's sprinkle some coriander leaves and serve it hot. Our delicious pepper chicken is ready and hot to serve. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.